Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Saturday, September 2nd, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. GenAI, the first generative AI early-stage accelerator in the Middle East, will invest $160 million in new Saudi generative AI startups. The accelerator onboarded its first cohort of 15 startups in July and aims to invest in 120 early-stage GenAI ventures. Technology Innovation Institute has selected 5 finalists from more than 1,700 entries in a competition to create use cases for its large language model, Falcon 40 billion. Shortlisted entries are now eligible for a chance to harness TII's AI training compute, bring their unique projects to life, and apply for investment from Venture One. UAE-based startup, UVL Robotics, which has been running drone delivery trials in Oman for the past 18 months, will soon begin trial drone flights in Abu Dhabi. Despite announcements over the past few years, to date, there have been no extended drone delivery trials in the UAE capital. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.